Let's unbox the TORRAS tempered glass screen protector for your iPhone 16 Pro Max. Now, they sent this out in the privacy screen protector so I can review for you guys. So it comes in this really nice packaging over here. So let's go ahead and open up and see what we get. Alright, and right on top, we're going to have an envelope with a whole bunch of accessories, which I will be opening up really soon. And over here, we have the star of the show. This is the privacy screen protector from TORRAS. Now, this is their GlassGo X, and it features an easy installation tray, which I really love to see. It makes it a lot easier to install. And it has a 12 feet of drop protection. Located inside, there is a scraper. We just pull this out here. And this is going to be useful to push out any air bubbles if there's any. Now, opening up the envelope here, the awesome thing about TORRAS is that they're going to give you an additional privacy screen protector. So this is a 2-pack here, as you can see here, and it does have a nice 2-way privacy protection here. You can see it gets dark on each side, so if somebody is viewing it from the side, you're gonna have full protection there, so that way you have everything nice and private. I am liking the thickness of this glass here. Feels really nice and sturdy as well. So I'm gonna show you guys exactly how to put it on. All right, so the first thing you want to do here is power off your 16 Pro Max, so that way we have no distractions at all. Next, we're going to grab our wet wipe. And what I like about TORRAS is that they do label these here. So this is going to be step number 1, of course. And we're going to pass it on the front of the screen here. And after that, we're going to grab the microfiber cloth. You can see right here, it has the number 2. And we're going to wipe it off. And next, we have the dust removal stickers here. Now, I like to just use the biggest one here. And all I'm going to do here is making sure there's no lint on top of the screen. All right, now we're going to grab the installation frame, and all we have to do here is line up the phone here and ensure that we locate where it says top here. Then we're just going to line it up. And as you can see here, it just says just one pull here. So that's all we're going to do here. We're going to pull the arrow. And just like that, the screen protector should start to adhere. I don't know if you can see that. It's a little bit hard since this is privacy here, but it is slowly adhering on the screen here. And now we can remove this installation tray here. Just pick up the bottom. All right, now as you can see here, almost a flawless installation. All we're missing here is a few little air bubbles here, but no worries. All we have to do is grab the microfiber squeegee, and we just have to apply pressure, and all that is gonna go away. All right, after a few seconds, we're left with a beautiful installation. Absolutely no air bubbles, no lint on the bottom as well. And what I like about this installation frame here is that it perfectly aligns the screen, and it also removes any other dust that may be on top of the screen. Another phenomenal feature of this installation tray. So let's go ahead and power on the phone here. And while that's powering on, taking a closer look here, you can see that this is going to be an edge-to-edge screen protector featuring a really nice black border all around. I don't know if you can see that there. It does have some black lines surrounding it, which means that it will make your screen protector appear very seamless and less distracting, which I really like a lot. Taking a closer look at the earpiece, we can see a very subtle cutout to have enough space for that earpiece, which is really awesome. And we can also see where the front-facing camera here, that cutout is going to be completely clear, of course, because that front camera needs to be nice and clear. Now that we have the phone on, let's go ahead and test out the feeling of the screen protector. And my first impressions here is that this screen protector feels really nice and smooth. Feels a million times better than the screen of your iPhone, so I really like that a lot. Now, taking a closer look at the privacy over here, of course, if I tilt the phone to the left or to the right, you can see all the content is completely hidden, giving you peace of mind, and you have nice privacy protection here. Now, even if I were to increase the brightness all the way, same thing here, is still not going to be visible at all. All right, shutting off most of my lights here, I just want to give you guys exactly how it looks. If it's going to be really dark, you'll notice here that it only shows a little bit of your screen. And mind you, I have it on full maximum brightness here to give you a close scenario of how much of the light you can kind of see if it's like super dark. Obviously, when it's bright out, you're not going to notice it at all. And especially when you're looking at it head on, you're not going to notice none of that at all. Now, for those that are wondering, if I open up the camera here, whether or not you can see the borders here, but you can see right over here where the corners of each of these camera lens frames, they're still visible. Give you a nice little close-up here. Really hard to see this, but you'll see right there the borders of the camera is still shown. So you're not going to have any issues at all. Now, of course, another amazing feature of the screen protector is the fact that they give you a second one, which increases the value of the screen protector. Now, whenever you install your first one here, you do have to remove this. I'm gonna show you exactly what to do here. Just remove it. So to put it back on, all we have to do is make sure that just one pole is obviously facing like this. So looking at the opposite screen, this is how it's gonna look like. But to ensure that it is put on right, you wanna first start with the bottom here. Let's move this pulling mechanism out first. You'll see this nice little cutout that matches the cutout on the bottom of this. We're just going to line that up in place. And then on the top here, we're gonna push each of these tabs here. There should be 3. So you just wanna put them right in. Right, and it should look just like that. And finally, you can just place the pulling mechanism and you can kind of just pull it a little bit. And that way it stays nice and secure. And now you're ready to install your second one, or you can keep this on the side whenever your original one breaks or anything like that. Or you can give it to a friend or family. So just for that, adds tremendous value. So if you guys are looking for a really nice privacy screen protector that gives you two-way protection, then definitely check out the TORRAS GlassGo privacy screen protector. For its ease of installation and the fact that they're giving you 2 adds, again, tremendous value. I recommend them, guys. Firewolf out.